Oh my god, I'm finally done with 10th grade. Like, sophomore slump had nothing on me.
You do know what they say about junior year, right?
I mean, yeah, but they're just dragging it, right?
What? No, they're not. Just sit down. Sit down.
Okay. Alright, well. Everything they say about junior year is true. And my dumbass didn't believe them because the first quarter of my junior year, I was like, oh my god, this is great. And then second quarter hit, and I was like, so here's everything you need to know about 11th grade before September hits. Disclaimer before I start like saying anything, everyone is going to have a different experience in high school because we're in different states, different countries, different friends, different personalities. You get it. But like, I'm just speaking from my experience and what I wish I would have known before I started. I did know, I just didn't listen. So, this is your sign to listen. Okay, like, this is high school. There's going to be drama regardless of what you do or say. So, if people are like making up rumors, talking bad about you, looking at you crazy, just don't react. I'm literally a crash out. Like, I know I'm a crash out. Everyone knows I'm a crash out. They don't have a bad attitude. But, like, it's only because you're playing in my face. Like, stop doing that. I'm literally so happy when you're not bothering. Anyway, sometimes the drama is gonna be your fault. Like, yeah, that's gonna happen. But like, let's say you're like, oh my god, Penelope's hair looks so bad today. If that gets around, and then Penelope's like, yo, I heard you were talking bad about my hair, own up to it. Because chances are she probably knows that you were saying that. And then you're going to be sitting there looking stupid when you're like, no, oh my God, I would never say that. Where did you even hear that from? Like, oh my God, you sound stupid. And if you want to like keep your
Girl,
aura,
what the fuck is you
stand on
talking about?
business. Like, you said that shit, own up to it. You are going to have fallouts with some people, and that's okay. Repeat after me. It's okay to not have a lot of friends. Right. But they didn't invite me to that party. Get over it. Because if you're not even on their invite list, why are they on your mind? Oh, okay. Okay, right. But my friends are a part of something I'm not. First, like, go see if that's something you're interested in. If you're able to join it, join it. If you're not able to join it or if you don't want to, that's like, I mean, that's going to be uncomfortable for you, obviously, but like, put yourself out there. Go make some new friends, go join a new club, go start a new hobby, join a sport. There's like other things to do, other ways to keep yourself occupied, stay social. You really just have to put yourself out there because like, it's happening to me with the step team, but look, I started a YouTube channel. I started posting on TikTok. Go follow my TikTok. I'm funny on there sometimes. Thank you. At the end of the day, it's better to have like a small circle of close friends than a big circle of people who you can barely even talk to. Okay, so I didn't date anybody my junior year because I did that shit my sophomore year, and I wouldn't recommend it. Like, someone should have told me how sick I looked. Like, I looked like a corpse. I was green every day.
Huh?
What? If you look like a corpse when you're dating someone, I promise you that's not the person for you. If you're like, this is important. If you are scared to tell your friends things about your partner because you don't want them to not like him, yeah, that's a wake up call. Yeah, get out of there. Leave. Anyway, high school sweethearts exist. They do. Like, I'm gonna acknowledge that. But most likely you're not going to find your person in high school. So if you're dating someone, you guys break up, it's not the end of the world. You guys are going to go to college, get out there and leave, explore yourself. Like, you haven't even found yourself for real. Don't go looking for your other half, your person, before you find who you are. Ooh, that was a bar.
Get out!
Yeah, Yeah, there really isn't that much for this section because I don't give boys the time of day. Whether you're taking harder classes or like you're taking on the same load that you did from last year, stay focused, bro. Because I don't know if it's like this in other schools, but in my school, you're not really supposed to double jump. But I was doing so good in global regular, like I finished with 100, that I double jumped to AP US history.
Words of wisdom for Casey.
Don't take A push. It's a big mistake.
Yeah, I was so discouraged the first week because I already had stuff going on in my personal life. And then the schoolwork got harder. So I was just like, oh nah, I'll just like, I'm still on summer mode. I'll lock in later. I didn't lock in until a week before the AP exam. Yeah, but I passed the class. I don't know how, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. Stay locked in from the beginning. Towards the end of junior year, you're gonna like start to see the light because senior year is right around the corner. But please keep in mind that's a whole other 9 months of school that you have to do. Like, I know I did that because I'm ready to get the hell out of here. Like, I hate it here so bad. I quit throughout like the third quarter, which is kind of stupid because I was right at the end. But literally, please stay locked in because those final grades towards the end of the year, those will either make or break you. Like I promise, it doesn't seem serious right now, but it is. It really is. We've all seen my skin in videos. Like we
Somebody, oh, he needs some milk.
it's not a pretty sight. No. Like I have acne scars, fuzzy eyelashes, my hair looks a mess. You probably see my mustache. No, but seriously, confidence, that's definitely something I've struggled with since what year did COVID start? Like six, seven, grade. I think I'm still learning how to be okay with the way I look, especially with being a black girl in a predominantly white school. Yeah, that's a little hard, but it definitely comes with time because I've I'd say I think I'm somewhat pretty. Hello, this is editing Alicia. I think I'm average looking. Like it doesn't bother me anymore, but I just make jokes out of the way I look, you know? I'm the funny friend, not the pretty Instagram model one, and that's okay. Prettier than I used to think I was. Oh my god, I look Anyway, no, but like with self-confidence, I would say find stuff that works for you. Like if you have a makeup style you like to wear, wear it. If you have a hairstyle that makes you feel like you look the best, wear it. If your style gives you confidence, wear it. See, I go to a Catholic school, so we all have the same fit. That actually really helps with the confidence because on dress down days, I'm like, oh, do I look crazy? Seriously, find stuff that works for you and then just kind of grow into it, I guess. Yeah. Listen up. Yeah. Get involved in your school. Even outside your school, because, like, I'm pretty sure this is the year college is going to be like, let me look at that, you know? So go for that leadership role, go join that club, go try out for that sport, okay? Go get those volunteer hours, sign up for community service. Even if you don't get on the sport, you don't get the leadership role, you don't like get into NHS, it's okay because you tried. Like, at least you put yourself out there. That's all I really have to say. Get involved. That's going to help you so much, especially if you're not good with test taking like the SAT or if you're going test optional. Can you even go test optional after like this? I don't know. Look, I'm not good at the SAT. Like I got my score back today. I got a 1050. This kind of goes into grades a little bit, but it's okay. Whatever. Everything comes together eventually. But like the SAT, that doesn't determine you getting into college alone. Let's be for real. Like the activities that you do in your essay, those are going to help you so much. So please go get involved. Get involved and stay involved. Thank you. My main takeaways for this video would be don't change yourself for anyone. Don't. Only do it for you. If that's something you really want to do, only take on what you can handle. I'm so serious. If you take on more than you can handle, you're going to burn out. I'm speaking from somebody who did that. You're going to burn out. Don't give up. Okay? Because junior year, you are going to want to. Am I allowed to say that? Fuck it. You are going to want to kill yourself so many times, bro. Don't. Get involved. I'm not lying. Like, get involved. They love to see that. Get involved. You might be laughing at that one kid who's like president of the student body. They volunteer every single day, president of the soup kitchen. Like, you might be like, oh my God, what a teacher's pet, blah, blah, blah. No, they're getting into college. What are you doing? Lock in. Lock in. I'm so serious, lock in. Stay locked in too. I ran out of fingers, but don't take things to heart. That's all I can say. Like, that goes into the drama thing. Don't take things to heart. Everything will be okay. I promise. Those are things I wish I knew before I went into junior year, because junior year, they call it hell year for a reason. I mean, yeah, but you know, save this video, I guess, for when September starts in case you forget. I wouldn't lie to you guys, because junior year, oh my God, everyone is going to play in your face, even your grades. No, but let me not scare you. There are some good things in junior year. You'll make new friends. Yeah, definitely. You'll discover new things about yourself. I definitely discover like the type of people I want to be around. And the second somebody does me wrong, I'm so quick to cut people off. Like, it's not even funny. Like, no. I really hope this video helps somebody, because I wish I watched a video that told me how to do junior year. Because what? Yeah. Anyway, good luck, I guess. I hope this video helped you. And yeah, go watch one of my other videos because I promise I'm funny.
Did you write any of that down? Or. You know what? It's all recorded. I'll just send it to you. Never mind.